Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a one brand skincare routine using only Biotique products. So Biotique is an affordable skincare brand and recently they have also launched their makeup products. I haven't tried the makeup products yet, but I really love its skincare range. It has amazing, effective and affordable skincare range which are great for everyday use as well as to make your skin clear and radiant. So now without wasting more time, let's get started with the video. So the first step in the skincare routine is facial cleansing. And for the cleanser, I'm using this Biotique Papaya Visibly Flawless Face Wash. And this one is for all skin types. This is a gel-based facial cleanser or a face wash, which also has very tiny bead particles, which deeply clean your skin and remove any dirt or residue of makeup from your skin. So to use this face wash, you just have to take a very little amount of this face wash on your fingertips and then gently massage it all over your skin. You can also mix a little bit of water into it to cleanse your face really nicely. And after nicely cleansing your face, you just need to wash it off with normal water. And now you can see that just after using this face wash, my skin have become much more clearer. And after cleansing your face, now it's the time to scrub your skin. And for the scrub, I'm using this Biotique Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. And to use this scrub, you just need to take a pea-sized amount of this face scrub on your fingertips. And then add a little bit of water into it. And then gently rub it onto your face and neck in a circular motion. You have to scrub essentially on the nose and the chin area to deeply cleanse and get all the blackheads, whiteheads and the impurities out of your skin. Scrubbing or exfoliating your skin is very necessary for your skin. A mild scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, polish your skin and makes your skin clear and brighter. And after gently exfoliating or scrubbing your skin, you just need to wash it off with normal water. Now, no skincare routine is complete without a facial massage. And let's be honest, this is the most fun part of the treatment. And to massage the skin, I'm using this Biotique Quince Seed Face Massage Cream. And to massage your skin, you firstly have to dampen your palms and then take a small amount of this face massage cream. And then start this massage by massaging along the sides of your nose and cheeks. Then massage the middle of your forehead and work towards the temples. Just follow these actions or steps to massage your skin really well. These steps are essential to increase blood circulation and improve muscle tones, which keeps your skin firm and bright. And lastly, massage your chin and jawline area. Now after massaging my skin using fingertips, now I'm using this facial massager which I got from Amazon to massage my skin really nicely, but it's totally optional. You can just use your fingertips to massage your skin really nicely, but do remember that you have to just massage your skin in an upward and outward circular motion, and you should never massage your skin in a downward motion because upward motion would help to lift up your skin and makes your skin tight and firm, while downward motion can result in making your skin loose and saggy. Now after massaging your skin for good 5 to 10 minutes, now you just have to wash your face, but if you don't want to wash your face like me, then you can use a facial wipe to remove all the facial cream from your face. Now after massaging your face, now it's the time for the face mask. And the one I'm using is the Biotique Biofruit Face Pack. Now you just have to apply this face mask or a face pack all over your face and neck, and you can apply it using a brush or your fingertips. This face mask helps to get all the impurities out from your skin, and it also removes suntan from your skin and makes your skin radiant, bright and clear. Now after applying this face mask all over your face and neck, now you have to leave it for a good 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry completely. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off with normal water. And here you can see, just after using all these 4 steps, my skin have become much more clearer, bright, glowing and radiant. Now let's move on to the next step of this skincare routine, which is toning. And the toner I'm using is the Biotique Biocucumber Pore Tightening Toner. And I've transferred this toner into a spray bottle so that it's easier to use. Now you just have to spritz it all over your skin. And if you don't have the spray bottle, then just take this toner on a cotton pad and move it all over your face to close and clean your pores. Now you just have to let it air dry, and you also have to pat it down into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this toner. Toners helps to close and clean your open pores. It also restores the balance of your skin and is essentially beneficial for acne prone skin. It also shrinks and tightens your pores and helps in anti-aging. And after toning, let's moisturize the skin. And the moisturizer I'm using is the Biotique Morning Nectar Ultra Soothing Face Lotion, which has SPF 30+. So you just have to take a little bit of moisturizer on your fingertips and then gently massage it all over your face and neck and let it absorb into your skin. Moisturization is really necessary for your skin no matter what skin type you have. It helps to hydrate the skin and helps to retain and seal in the moisture by doing cleansing and exfoliation. And now let's end this skincare routine by moisturizing the lips. And the lip balm I'm using is the Biotique Biofruit Lip Balm. And as you can see that this lip balm is almost over because I love it so very much. So just normally apply this lip balm all over your lips. And that is it for this skincare routine. This skincare routine using only Biotique products is highly effective and affordable. These products are super cheap and works brilliantly. And I will list all the product details in the description box below, so please check that out. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.